Go cheer up, would you? Cheer up. Nelly. Ow. You can't hurt my feelings.
It was not my fault, though. He took my keys out of my jacket. I don't feel fully responsible for it.
The alcohol has begun to poach your brain. You better stop now.
And now they're under fire.
I didn't give him permission to use my car. He handed me the keys. I'm not lying.
I don't care whether you're lying or not. You're not listening to me. You shouldn't have bought your car there.
Be nice. Be nice. Hey. Ow. Fuck. Look at that shit. You're. No. No.
19-year-old Charles Strickland for taking his car without permission and crashing it. Order. All rise.
Hey. Come on, man. Look at that.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Judge Party's been sworn in. You may be seated. Folks, have a seat.
How old are you, Mr. Mueller?
18 years old.
What?
How old are you, Mr. Strickland?
19.
Where do you live?
I live in Fenton, Missouri.
What's the drinking age in Missouri?
21.
Do you have a driver's license, sir?
Yes, ma'am. I got it back.
When did you get it back?
Just in the past month.
Prior to that, your license had been suspended.
Yes, ma'am.
What was your license suspended for?
Multiple minor possession tickets.
Multiple minor in possession of what?
Alcohol.
And what were you doing drinking on the day your car got totaled?
I don't know. I was
What do
just
you mean you don't
hanging,
know?
I was hanging out at a friend's house. We were at a party.
Does your friend live with family?
His parents were out of town.
So you had a friend, his parents were out of town, and you went over there to drink their booze?
No.
Then you brought booze.
I did not bring booze
Who did?
myself. Other kids at the party.
You mean you just drank it, you didn't buy it?
Mm-mm.
What does that mean?
Well, I was drinking, yes, and I did not buy any.
That would mean yes.
Yes.
Perfect. How did you get to the party?
I drove my car there.
And what was your intention when you got there?
Walked in my house one subdivision over.
And what did you drive there for?
Because I was not in my house before I came there.
Well, then you drive to your house and you walk over to one subdivision.
Well, he's a good friend of mine, so it would have been okay for me to leave my car at his house overnight.
Is that your father?
Yes, it is.
Did you tell your father that you were going out drinking?
No.
Why?
Because it's not right, and he would not have liked it.
What kind of a car did you have?
2004 Mustang.
Where did you get it?
My parents,
Your parents what?
they bought it from me.